Oh shoot. Come on, focus, focus. There we go. Sorry about that, guys. I was not expecting this. Q136. How fast it's going, you're doing max speed. Q136. You guys look good, I fucking tell. You guys be safe going east, then south. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I was not expecting him. I was kind of figured he'd be over down south or close to Portsmouth, Virginia. That's where he goes. Yeah, I was not expecting it. It's like, hell, I didn't see him in a while, so I'm not complaining. Alright, I'm probably going to be here probably all day. So, I don't know how many trains going to come. I know the Q371's on his way soon. He's at, just up now doing his thing. Q137 hasn't left yet, but I don't know exactly when he's going to leave. Q138, we're not going to see him because he's going to be late. So we're definitely going to see 135, Q130, Q371. That's Q136. Colin Kingston. So 135, 371, maybe possible Q137. As far as I know. Yeah, let me do this so I have the AC on. I'm gonna do that today. Hopefully get it. Yeah, so as far as I know, definitely gonna catch those three. So, alright, I'll see you guys on the next one.